This is the elevator at the La Quinta Inn in Panama City, Florida. Let's go to 6. Here we are at 6. Let's get a quick look at the hotel hallway. There's multiple elevators in this building, at least 2. This one was almost definitely a mod. Don't know what this was originally. Here's your cab view. This is a hydraulic, but decent speed for a 6-story hydraulic. It's about housekeeping. It also shows the name of the hotel on the outside. Is that a phone? I don't even know what that was. Can't remember if I showed that. But yeah. And that'll be it. There's another elevator right here. We're just gonna give it a quick ride. It's basically the same thing. The door is a different color though. Doesn't chime. We're gonna go back to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. And here's your cab view. They're a little bouncy when they first start going. Otis Series M2 fixtures. These are the vandal resistance ones. Someone's getting on, so I think we're just gonna end the video here. That'll do it.